Perfect bricks for the farm path. Looks good. Ready to roll.
Bring more bricks quickly!
Oh! We need bricks now!
Hurry up! Get the bricks over here!
The water is rising! Look at it! Hurry! Get back!
Bro! The bricks are falling.
The crew says, prepare bricks for the path.
Steady driving. Right, got it.
These cement bags are heavy.
Yeah, they're really heavy.
We'll need everyone's help.
Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward.
We arrived at the drainage site.
The drainage looks damaged.
Yeah, looks like we'll need to replace the section.
Roger that. Contacting base.
The soil is collapsing! We need to stabilize it now. Watch the water!
The water's too fast. We must repair this quickly. On it, boss. Get the pipe in here. Good job. We're making progress.
Bring the excavator here!
Over here, boss!
The excavator. Lower bucket. Copy that. Starting to dig.
Clear the mud first. We will use these bricks later.
Place the cement near the trench.
Got it. Putting it there now.
Align the pipes carefully. The pipes fit perfectly.
Oh, nice work! Looks great!
Couldn't have done it better.
You secure the pipes firmly. Looks good.
Solid installation.
Nice work, team.
All right, that's it. Stop everything.
We need concrete now.
Hurry up, bring it over here.
Concrete now!
Pour slowly. Pour slowly.
Watch it.
Keep spreading it evenly. Right, make sure it's smooth. Looking good, crew.
The drainage works. The cement has arrived. Great. Let's get these bags off.
Almost finished.
Nice work.
Just need to pack up.
The trench is breaking. Move, move, move! Get out of there! Watch the water.
The pipe's broken. Get the blue one over here. All right, she's here. Dig a new channel fast, driver. Right there, next to the stream. Let's move it.
We must reinforce the wall.
Quickly, the wall is collapsing.
Keep digging that trench wider.
We need more room for the pipe.
All right, redirect the water. Move that earth over there.
The water is moving away. That's great. It's working perfectly.
Seal the gap. Got it. All right. Now
Build the wall stronger. Build the wall stronger. Let's go. Build it stronger. Start building the farm path. Copy that. Nice delivery. Let's get to it. These bricks will make a strong road.
Oh.
They'll be perfect for the path.
Mix more concrete. We need more. Yes, let's mix it up.
Prepare the ground. Right away. Yes, sir. Level that soil. Excellent work.
The
base looks perfect.
Pour evenly. Watch the edges. Looking good. Slow down. That's it.
Align the bricks. Got it, Foreman. Moving them now.
This road is strong. Great teamwork, everyone. Keep it up. Yes, that's exactly right. Let's finish this path. Look at them go.
The farm animals like the road.
Bring the bricks here. Stop right there. All right, here they come. Perfect. Great job, team. Great bricks for the path. Let's get these laid out now.
Perfect.
More cement is here. All right, park it right over here. Looks like we have enough now. Place them near the mixer. Start mixing concrete.
Spread it evenly. We've got the texture right. Looking good, crew. Level the sides.
Align the bricks straight. Look, they're not straight. Use the trowels. Okay, boss, we'll fix it. That's better. Much better. Good job, everyone. This row looks perfect. Look, the chicken likes the new road. Test the surface.
The road is strong. It holds up. Solid. Yes, well done, crew.
All right, team, look at that. Halfway there, boss. Looking good. Secure the sides. Oh, keep it tight. Just like that. Looks perfect. Great job, everyone. Fill the gaps. Get it over there. Pour some more. Smooth it out.
These
R.
the lost bricks.
Finish the final section. Final brick placed. Looks amazing. Great job, team. Couldn't have done it without you. Finish the borders. Looking good. Just a bit more here. Perfect. Job well done. Let the concrete set. The animals are testing the road. Brilliant. The dog approves. Looks like our work here is done.
Test drive the truck. Great job. The road is stable. Perfect. Looks good. We can move. Ready to go. Tractor test successful. Yeah, successful. All right. Good job. The drainage works perfectly. Yeah, flawless. Fantastic. Great job, everyone. No more flooding. Good job, everyone. Looks perfect.
This truck worked hard today. It certainly did.
Well done. The tractor did great. Smooth path.
The excavator saved the drainage.
Oh. All right, team. The concrete looks strong.
It sure does. Solid pour.
Exactly. The concrete made it strong.
The farm looks happy again.
The bricks look perfect. Yes, they do. Absolutely perfect. This path will last a long time. Definitely worth the effort. Look at the beautiful road.
We've done a great job.
Yes, it's perfect. Everything works perfectly.
Great job, team. Let's head back.
Time to head back. Job well done. All right, let's call it a day. Heading home now.
Mission complete. Mission complete. Mission complete. The water flows smoothly.
Indeed. Excellent work, team.
The farm is safe again.
Beautiful work. It sure is. Couldn't have done it better ourselves.
Thanks, team. Good job, everyone.
The farm path is finished.
Great teamwork, everyone!
Thumbs up!
The farm path and drainage are finished.